V-Dub gang, we back! Today is the day we revive the Jetta. Final piece just arrived and it's the turbo exhaust housing. Already have the head gasket set from Elring. Here's the part number.
That's original, bruh.
Fits most 1.8Ts and pretty much has the full gasket and seals for the head. Now onto the housing. Here we got a Mamba T25V band 0.61 AR turbine housing for the GT28R. $189 plus free shipping. It does come with the installation hardware and a V-band clamp that I'll probably never use. All we gotta do is remove the old housing and slide this over the shaft and bolt it. After that, the whole turbo setup will go onto the AWP head and into the car. So let's do it. We got the spare AWP out here. Full turbo setup is mounted to the head already with some new studs, nuts and washers. Way easier to access everything with the head out of the car. Head bolts just came in the mail, so we are gonna drop it in right now. So the weather hasn't been too nice lately, but everything is back together, so let's start it up.
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
No!
Bruh.
Gonna check for codes real quick. Not a thing. Damn it.
Bruh. Bruh.
Sounds like it wants to fire up, but I don't know what's up right now. Let me try something real quick. So right now I'm gonna do a throttle body adaptation through VADCOM. First we go through measuring blocks. For the group we enter 060 and hit enter. Then just hit the switch to basic settings bottom corner and it'll do its thing. Just wait a couple seconds, then it should be done. Alright, let's give it a try.
Oh my god! Wow!
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That's what I want to see. The car is running pretty good right now. No lumpy idle. The vacuum is doing a lot better. There might be a small leak somewhere though. The air fuel ratio is pretty solid right now. It's not bouncing up and down like before, and it's pretty steady where I want it to be. Only problem is it's overheating like a I'm pretty sure there's a lot of air in the cooling system. So right now I'm just trying to bleed all the air out, massaging the hoses and whatnot. Once I get all that sorted out, I'll take this bad boy for a drive.